in here, you know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm fully clothed in the pool. Don't care what you have to say because, you know, these clothes, spoiler alert, these clothes needed to be washed anyways. Yeah, guys, the chair's working, yeah. Oh my gosh, there goes Kay. Wow. We're about to go ahead and get straight to it, man. Today we have some natural light photography. I have my Sony a7S III with my 24-70mm lens. Everybody's been asking me what do I shoot on. This is my daily shooter. I shoot this every single day in any single scenario. Oh my gosh, it almost dropped. Our new camera straps are out now. Go ahead, link in the description.
It's fun. It's actually really fun. It's creative. So like we have to make everything up like last minute.
Literally,
And
we're only 2 days in. We're only 2 days. This is the third day.
I'm more positive and happy doing this. It has been kind of draining, but like in a good way, if that makes sense. Like I'm productive and I'm active, but like everything we make is so creative and different. So like every day's be a new concept.
Every day is a new concept. Everything's so different.
Cool.
What is up, you guys? Your boy Taxi PNG. We're back at again another man. Today we have Kate again. Today is day 4 of the 7-day challenge, man. And we're going strong, man. Today we have a nice little pool concept. I'm gonna put the photos up here, you know what I'm saying? So you guys can see what they look like and how they came out and things of that nature. But we're about to go ahead and head down to the pool now. And we're gonna have some fun with it. We got a nice little concept. She wants to do like a sad concept. It's like the first one we did was like kind of like drunken love. This one's kind of like a heartbreak, like kind of like dealing with like a little heartbreak, drained. You know what I'm saying? Emotionally drained. Ooh, boy, that's a good one. Emotionally drained. So we're about to go ahead and make that happen. We're about to head to the pool right now. We got this wine glass that we're gonna use. Yeah. What are we putting in here? Are we gonna actually put something in here, or is it gonna just be the glass, like just using the glass?
Yeah, drink in it.
I know, but like,
A dark drink though.
is it gonna just sit? Like, where is it gonna be at? What's your vision? Where are you gonna have it? We're gonna have it sitting.
It's good. I'm gonna be holding it.
Cause I got some V8. I can put some V8 in there.
What's V8? Oh.
Yeah, like that juice, the red juice. So we're gonna go ahead and make that happen, you guys. And yeah. We're about to teleport to the pool. We're at the pool. You know what I'm saying? I almost at the beach, but we're not. We're at the pool. Yeah, we're about to go ahead and get started. I'm about to start setting up. I don't have to set anything up. I was gonna use my flash and stuff, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna just be normal and, you know, basic and things of that nature. And I'm gonna just do regular. I'm gonna use like my natural light. I'm not gonna use any flash or anything like that. So I feel like it's gonna make the video a little bit cooler too, just with the natural light. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're gonna have some natural light photography in here, man. It's gonna be kind of fun. I brought a little chair right here behind me, and then I brought a mirror, which almost just broke. How powerful are you? But I brought a mirror so she can see herself, how she look and stuff. And yeah, so you never know. Might want to do some, I don't know. I don't know. But this is the pool. So I'm about to go ahead and have some fun with this pool. This pool is pretty large, pretty big. I want to go ahead and get in there too, just for the you know, the heck of it, for the reels, to make the reels cool. So I think that's gonna be fun, you guys. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and do that. She's gonna do her mascara and stuff. We're gonna take some regular shots, get a little wet, try to like feel it. Cause yeah, we've been hot all week, so we want to just feel better this week. So we're trying to switch it up, you know? We've been hot all week. We don't want to be hot again, you know? Do it. What's up, you guys? We're at the pool. Yeah! We're about to go ahead and shoot, man. I'm probably about to take these shoes. I'm probably gonna take them off, but it's hot right now, so I'm probably gonna have them on until I get in the water. But yeah, we have Kay. I don't know where she's at. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, there goes Kay. Wow! We're about to go ahead and get straight to it, man. Today we have some natural light photography. I have my Sony a7S III with my 24-70mm lens. Everybody's been asking me what do I shoot on. This is my daily shooter. I shoot this every single day in any single scenario. Oh my gosh, it almost dropped. Our new camera straps are out now. Go ahead, link in the description. You guys help me vote, and you guys help me choose which one we're gonna drop. So this is the first one we're gonna drop. Has the quick release feature right here. Just like that, you can take it off quickly, you can reattach it quickly, and yeah, I love this little thing. So this is what's gonna be helping me while I'm in the pool and I'm shooting. Oh my God, I almost dropped it. Oh no, I didn't drop it in the water because why? I had Taxi's camera strap, you know what I'm saying? So we're about to go ahead and get straight to it. I am about to put my lens hood on so that I could cut out some of that light, because it's about to be really bright. Try to keep my ISO as low as possible and when I'm doing this. So we're about to go ahead and see. We're gonna have some fun, man. We might do a little. So first thing we're gonna have Kay over here, probably on this little like.
Can I have my heels on?
It's up to you. What will look better? What do you think? Maybe heels on after.
Okay.
All right, bet we're gonna have it like, yeah, like I like this right here, like you right here. I'll show you the background, yeah. The sun is directly over you guys, so bear with us while we're filming this. The phone may or may not overheat. Hopefully it doesn't. But we're gonna try to see what we can get with what we have. There we go, yep. Best part about it is Kay knows how to do what she's doing. There we go, yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go up on my shutter, you guys, to 400. I'm gonna go down on my F. There we go. Bam. There we go. There we go. Yes. There we go. Yep, yep, yep. Hold. Hold. Look up and off that way a little bit. Yep. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Put your right leg up here. Turn. Yeah, like that. And then head up towards that way. Yeah, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Now I want like kind of probably you. I want you like down like this. Like I kind of like see this like that because I want to see the tattoo on that right side. Let's see what you got for us. There you go. Yep. Yep. Just like that. There you go. Look right here. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Go hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Going up on my F, you guys. Yep. Boom. There we go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Get some close ins. There we go. There we go. Hold, hold, hold. There you go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Always look in your viewfinder, you guys, because sometimes the regular thing be lying to you, so you have to look in the viewfinder, and I got glasses on, so it helps me a little bit more. There we go, yep. Look that way, look up and off that direction. Yep, hold it. 3, 2, 1. There you go, 3, 2, 1. There you go, yep. Boom. I'm about to do some reels now. You guys see this, man? It's called dedication. Yeah. Yeah, y'all see this right here? It's called dedication. This is your sign to take a mirror to the pool, you know what I'm saying? So that way your models can always see how they look. That's why I'm taxi and you're not. Fucking with y'all. But we about to go ahead and get in this next little portion of it, man, where I'm sweating crazy, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to give me a nice little tan out here, you know what I'm saying? I don't got no tank top on. I gotta wear the uniform. I got y'all gotta see this. Y'all gotta see this. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna see me. So I gotta have the uniform on. I'm about to get all up in the water with the full gear, you know what I mean? Y'all gonna be like, oh my God, what the hell? I'm like, yeah. Yeah. So this should be fun. Guys, let me know down in the comments 1 to 10. How did she do? I think it looks pretty good.
Does it? Are you lying?
No, I think it looks good.
Does it look like I'm depressed?
It looks like you're depressed. It looks like that looks nice and fucked up. These are the other camera straps that didn't make the cut, you guys. If y'all want me to re-drop, let me know. Because I do these too. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this is also a cool one too that I'd use probably daily. This one looks like it's very secure, honestly. So I actually would use this one too. I just don't like how the manufacturer made these strings right here and then make it look a little bit like unprofessional. Pool time, time to get in the pool, bro. It's better to feel that than this heat. Meet your mate, choose your, yeah. Y'all boys recording? Yeah, y'all boys recording. I'm about to give her heels so she can put them on. This little wrist strap, that be about to come in dumb handy. What? About to come in dumb handy. We ain't dropping no cams. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this is woo-ah!
Don't do that.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys. That's different. Guys, there's like no good angle to get on this. The sun's just like literally directly in the front, the top. So I think, should you like, yeah, let me see. Oh, maybe like what side should I be on? I kind of want to go walk on the other side. Cause I want to see more of like I want to see more of like the pool as your background. There you go, yep. 3, 2, 1.
I'm walking?
Yeah. Oh yeah, look back at me. I look, you might not even have to get in for real. I'm gonna get in though, for the real. But this shot wise, you try to like spread it out behind you as much as you can. Oh, you guys wanna get in? Yeah, that's good, that's good. There we go, yeah. There we go. Oh, let me see. Lighting going up. Look at me. There we go, yep. Turn towards me. You got it. 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 I ain't gonna lie, that's gonna be a hard, but that's gonna be hard. I already seen it. If you just turn around and do it this way. That's gonna be hard. That's gonna be so cool. Yeah, and just like do it like, yeah. Do it like lay back this direction. Come a little bit more up. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so hard. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm like the perfect height right now. There we go, yep. There we go. There you go. Yeah, it's nothing but water. Now like lay back out. So yeah, like that. Come on, come on, come on. No, literally, okay, so literally come forward, come to the wall, right? So come to the wall, and then when you come to the wall, you're gonna push back. So you're just gonna be like push back. There we go. Push back. 3. Like that. Yep. Like that. 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 There you go. Yep. One more time. See, that was good. Just like that. Literally, that looked good. So now when you do it, try to open up a little bit more when you do it this time. Cause you were kind of like you're like. So try to open up when you do it. All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Yeah, there you go. That was good. I don't know what that is, but okay. But yeah, so literally, guys, we just did a little shooty shoot. Oh, let me see. So guys, I was thinking, we just did like a reel in here. So now I'm back in here in the water. We just did a reel, so now we're about to go ahead and do these for you guys. Get a little shots in here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm fully clothed in the pool. Don't care what you have to say because you know these clothes. Spoiler alert: these clothes needed to be washed anyways. Yeah, these are clothes from the week. So I was like, hey, bro, you know what? Let me go ahead and wear them. You judging me?
No.
These clothes need to be washed. Yours need to be washed too?
No.
Oh, okay. What are you trying to say? Guys, Kay's judging me. All right, so literally I'm just thinking like regular photo shoot, but you're just in water.
Okay.
Like it's about to be a regular shoot, but you're just in water. Literally, so you're just right there, same regular poses that you would do. Maybe turn to the side and like hold the flower close to your body. So like this is the flower. So like you're turned to the side like this. Maybe like one leg out, one leg in, and you're like holding it close to your body like so. Yep, just like that. Literally. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yep. Hold. Now do one where like you're facing that way and like you're looking back over your shoulder. So like face this way, right? And then like have the rose like right here, peeking through the side, and now you're looking over your shoulder. Yep, just like that. Hold. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, there we go. Yep. See, look at you making it you. Love that. Bet. So literally now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have you like come in the middle and then walk towards me. So you're literally gonna like, yeah, start right here and then just like, you're gonna walk towards me like the water, you just have your hands out. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. All right, let me go set up the chair for you guys. See how tall you are when you stand in it. Yeah, like right there is good. No, you should be pretty tall. That's the point. Stand up straight. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, guys, the chair's working. Yeah. Oh yeah, you look evil. Look, like if you're standing like that, you look evil. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. I ain't gonna lie. All right, let me see. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Yeah, there we go. There we go, yeah. Yeah, there we go.
There we go. Look up and like off that way a little bit. Yep, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Look at me. Hold the rose like here a little bit, like right there. Yeah, hold it. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys again for watching, man. It was fun, but you know we gotta run. LOL. But nah. So I just want to say thank you guys again for watching this series as we continue to go. Doing the outro right now, and yeah, this water actually feels really good when you have clothes on for some reason. But yeah, maybe it's also actually warm outside. So, but yeah, I just want to say thank you guys again, man. You guys have been really like coming through for us this whole week. And you guys are lit. You guys are lit, man. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. Every damn day for 7 days we got episodes. So if you didn't type into the last 3, go type into the last 3. You know what I'm saying? Because we're going crazy. So Monday through Sunday we're dropping a video. Check out the digital products. If you guys have seen the photos as they pop up on the screen, all of those photos were edited with my presets. taxipng.com. Go on there and you guys go to digital products. You guys can see that. This video is sponsored by Kate Backdrop. More on them later in a later episode when we go in the studio. I'll talk to you guys about them. But yeah, discount code TAXI10 if you guys want some backdrops on there. And yeah, man, what else do you have to say? Okay, how do you feel about this week so far?
It has been kind of draining, but like in a good way, if that makes sense. Like I'm productive and I'm active, but like everything we make is so creative and different, so like every day's be a new concept.
Every day is a new concept. Everything's so different.
Cool.
And each time it takes a different part out of you, because
Yeah.
like it forces your brain to think differently. And it's like, bro, we've done it's been 4 days so far, and we've done so much already, bro. We went to Coco, we went to a garden, we went to a skate park, now we're at a pool. Like, what? You know what I'm saying? Like, everything has been so different, and these days are gonna continue to just get more different. We got 3 days left, and yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. It's been a lot of fun. Until further ado,
Taxi.
we're out.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga rich female. Watch bitch, don't watch me.